Cooking should be fast, efficient, and hassle-free. Best single-burner induction cooktop options deliver precise temperature control, quick heating, and energy-saving performance. In this guide, we'll compare top-rated models that make everyday cooking easier, whether you're at home, in a dorm, or traveling. And product link in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Impava Shatterproof Single Induction Cooktop. The Impava Shatterproof Single Induction Cooktop is an excellent choice for anyone who wants precise cooking control and dependable performance in a compact design. One of its standout features is the 18-level temperature adjustment system, allowing users to fine-tune heat settings from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit in 20-degree increments. This flexibility makes it suitable for everything from gently melting chocolate to quickly boiling water. The built-in melt, keep warm, and simmer modes add convenience by simplifying common cooking tasks and helping maintain consistent results. A generous timer that runs up to 9 hours and 59 minutes makes the cooktop ideal for slow-cooked soups, stews, and other dishes that require extended cooking times. Unlike many competing models, its low 300-watt continuous heating mode helps prevent splattering while delivering even heat distribution. Energy-conscious users will appreciate the ultra-low standby power consumption of less than 0.5 watts. The durable, shatterproof ceramic glass surface is designed to resist scratches, heat damage, and cracking, making cleanup quick and easy. Combining durability, energy efficiency, and precise temperature control, the Impava Induction Cooktop is a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Cooktop 1800-watt Single Induction Cooktop. The Cooktop 1800-watt Single Induction Cooktop is designed for users who need powerful heating performance and commercial-grade durability. Utilizing advanced electromagnetic induction technology, this cooktop delivers thermal efficiency of up to 90%, helping reduce energy waste while heating cookware quickly and evenly. It offers impressive customization through 18 power levels and 20 temperature settings, available in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or rapidly boiling water, the controls provide flexibility for a wide range of cooking styles. The stainless steel housing adds durability and makes it suitable for demanding kitchen environments, while the galvanized steel bottom enhances structural strength. Despite its rugged construction, the unit remains portable and easy to move when needed. Convenient preset functions such as boil and keep warm simplify everyday cooking tasks and save time. The cooktop also supports cookware weighing up to 55 pounds, making it suitable for larger pots and pans. Its compatibility with magnetic induction cookware ensures efficient heat transfer and reliable performance. For users seeking a durable, high-powered induction burner with versatile controls and dependable operation, the Cooktop is a strong contender. Number 3. Nuwave Flex Single Induction Cooktop. The Nuwave Flex Single Induction Cooktop stands out for its exceptional temperature precision and user-friendly design. Featuring 81 programmable temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in fine 5-degree increments, this cooktop provides remarkable control over cooking performance. Whether you are keeping sauces warm, preparing delicate dishes, or searing steaks at high heat, the Flex offers the accuracy needed for consistent results. One of its most convenient features is the ability to make adjustments during cooking without restarting the program, allowing users to adapt temperatures and cooking times instantly. The intuitive digital control panel is easy to navigate, making operations simple, even for beginners. Safety and durability are enhanced by the heavy-duty, shatter-resistant ceramic glass surface, which is engineered to withstand intense heat and everyday kitchen use. Nuwave's patented insulation technology positions the heating coils closer to the cookware. Combining precision, safety, and efficiency, the Nuwave Flex is an excellent option for users seeking versatile induction cooking performance. Number 2. ChangBERT 8-inch Single Induction Cooktop. The ChangBERT 8-inch Single Induction Cooktop is engineered for high efficiency and stable performance, making it suitable for continuous cooking tasks. It offers 9 power levels, ranging from 200 watts to 1800 watts, along with 18 temperature settings between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 460 degrees Fahrenheit, giving users flexible control over cooking intensity. With an energy efficiency rating of around 83%, it delivers faster heating and reduced energy waste compared to conventional cooking methods. A key advantage is its continuous duty design, which supports stable high-power output for extended cooking without overheating issues. This makes it particularly useful for demanding cooking environments. The improved coil structure enhances electromagnetic energy transfer, ensuring more even heat distribution across cookware surfaces. As a result, food cooks consistently without uneven hot spots. Number 1. Duxtop 200DZ Single Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop 200DZ Single Induction Cooktop is a portable and user-friendly cooking solution designed for everyday convenience. It operates on a standard 110-120-volt outlet, making it compatible with most North American household setups. With 20 power levels ranging from 100 watts to 1800 watts, and temperature settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides precise control for a variety of cooking tasks. Final verdict. Selecting the right induction cooktop depends on your cooking habits, desired power level, and need for precision or durability. Each model delivers solid performance, but two clearly excel in different areas of use and value. For precise temperature control, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability, the Impava Shatterproof Single Induction Cooktop is the best overall pick. If you want higher power output with faster heating and robust construction, the Cooktop 1800-watt Single Induction Cooktop is an excellent alternative for versatile everyday cooking. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.